Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on a previously disabled microphone on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the system tile. On the left side, underneath system, select sound. And then on the right side, select manage sound devices. And underneath input devices, you should see your microphone that says disabled right above it. Select it and then select enable. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.